Okay, this next drill is called 90-90 breathing. We're gonna do a little internal rotation of the hip with it. So what y'all are gonna do is lay down, and we're gonna get the feet on the wall with the hips or the knees right over the hips. So in this position right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to raise my hips off the floor about an inch, and I'm gonna try to breathe into my belly and my chest. Okay, so that's the basic 90-90 breathing. So with that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little hip internal rotation.